Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today it's my topic name relation of biology with other science. Now we are discussing in our video. Let's start our topic. Biology is closely linked with other natural science such as chemistry, physics, biography, and earth science. The connection helps us understand life process, environmental interactions, and the complexities of living organisms. The following are a few examples of how biology is connected with other science. First of all, biochemistry. Biochemistry is the study of structures and reaction of different chemical substances present in living systems. The study of chemical reactions of photosynthesis and respiration are examples of biochemistry. Biophysics. Biophysics. It is the study of the principles of physics which apply to biological processes. For example, in biophysics, we study the rules of liver and motion. For understand the function of muscles, bones, and joints. Computational biology. In computational biology, scientists and mathematical models, algorithms, and computer simulations to understand biological system and relationships. It involves analyzing biological data such as sequence of amino acids in a protein. Biogeography. It is the study of the distribution of living organisms in different geographical regions of the world. The influence of climate change on the distribution of organisms is also studied in biography. Biostatics. It is with the principle of statistics to analyze and interpret data related to living organisms. Biostatistics plays a critical role in biological research, healthcare, and public health sector. Biotechnology. Biotechnology it is with the use of living organisms or their components to develop beneficial products or process for various fields, including healthcare, agriculture, and environmental management. For example, biotechnologists use bacteria for the production of insulin to treat diabetes patients. Bioeconomics. It deals with the studies of organisms for economical points of view. In bioeconomics, scientists calculate the cost and profit of the biological projects, production of new variety of crops. Medicine and surgery. The profession medicine deals with the diagnosis and treatment of diseases. In surgery, the defective part of the body are repaired, replaced, or removed. For the profession, students need to complete a 5-year Bachelor's of Medicine, Bachelor in Surgery, MBBS degree. Dentistry. Dentistry specializes in oral health, the diagnosis and treat dental disease and perform surgeries. For this profession, students get a 4-year Bachelor of Dental Surgery BDS degree. Pharmacology. Pharmacologists study the effect of drugs on human body and develop new medicines. For this career, Bachelor of Student BS degree in pharmacy or Doctor of Pharmacy degree is required. Physiotherapy. It is the therapy that is used to restore movement and physical function of the body that has been impaired by disease or injury. Physiotherapy uses physical exercise and physical modalities such as massages to improve patients' physical movements. To become a physiotherapist, a 4-year BS degree in physical therapy or physiotherapy is needed. Fisheries and wildlife. Fish and wildlife departments also offer jobs to the biologists after a BS and Master of Study MS degree in zoology, fisheries or aquaculture. Agriculture. Agriculture facilities improve farming, practice crops, introduction and sustainable agriculture techniques. A 4-year BS degree in agriculture is required. Animal husbandry. The field involves breeding and caring for livestock to improve their quality and productivity. For a student can pursue a 4-year BS degree in animal husbandry. Horticulture. Horticulture cultivates fruit, vegetables, fruits, and ornamental plants. 4-year BS degree in horticulture is required for it. Forestry. Forestry managed to the preserve forest and wildlife for this professional 4-year BS degree in forestry is necessary. Farming. The professional farming prepare farms, animal farms, poultry farms, fruit farms. In such farm, they grow crops and rice, animal for food and other products. A 4-year BS degree in agriculture or specific farming courses is required for this profession.